Hi friends, welcome. We'll discuss about a NotebookLM timeline feature. Now this feature is recently removed from the NotebookLM. Then it was there before, so it was based on the topics. Actually it was quite useful. Say you are studying a historic event, you want all the key event dates to be listed in a chronology order, so you can easily track what has happened on which date. So that particular feature is missing. So one further test that it is that this feature has not gone out. So instead of giving a button, still you can use the chart window to create that. We'll learn more about this. We are in Google, so let's try searching NotebookLM. So here we are. You can just click the link here. Note that it is always better you log in before entering into here to your Google account. So it's your Gmail or Google account, whatever you say. Log in there and create a new notebook here. We are inside our notebook, so it's a new notebook, fresh notebook, and we'll add some links or PDFs or any our documents. We can add it. That will be our source. So here it is, left side source, chart, and right side is studio. I can collapse any of this window. I can expand it also. Here I can just all my features. This studio area covers all my features. Earlier the timeline was here, now it is not there. We'll see how you can use it. Now let's add a source. Before that, the topic what we have picked up is the Google search status dashboard. So he listed out what are the updates Google algorithm it has done over a time. So that is what the entire list is there, year wise data is there. Now this I am copying as source, going here to NotebookLM. Now it is asking me to add. So now here I am giving a website. I am pasting the data here in short. So now this source data will be collected by NotebookLM. So here it is, the details have come. But note that I don't have a button to list out the historic or how the event has happened over a period. Now you can see I have written the prompt here. Give me a timeline of all algo updates and highlight the core updates. So this is what I am asking NotebookLM to prepare for me, the timeline, so that accordingly I can adjust my study. Here is the output. So it has given me in a nice tabular format. So you can see here core updates are all highlighted. So here I can just compare it. In 2024 there were 4 core updates, and it's in the November also one update was there. Now here you can see it was March and June. So actually I am expecting a update years. That's why this is my favorite subject which I was working it. Let me share this. You like this, you can create it. Even I can suppose you want to take this data out and use it in a blog post. So give me this table in HTML format, so I can publish. This is one way. Or give me in a as a LinkedIn post, so I can post it expecting that when will be my next core update. It is up to you to decide, and I'll just leave that to you to use this sort of timeline in your requirement. So suppose you want to go for a historic event, here it is. So already this has given me in the HTML format. I can just copy this and use it. This timeline feature was very useful. Now earlier it was a button, it was given. So now still that can be used by customizing. You can write a prompt for that and you will get the output on the way you want. Now even suppose you are covering a sports event or you are covering a conference. So in that case you can get all the historic timeline of it with the key events, what has happened in the past and all. You can still get it by using this through the chart window. So friends, that's if you have any idea or how to use it, or you want some more details or any ideas on that, use the comment section below to post it. And my request is please subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon, so you'll be notified as and when we add tutorial, and we are frequently adding such tutorials also. We'll also covering all other new features what NotebookLM has added recently. Please share this with your friends, and thank you for watching.